Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. I am architect Minarul Islam. Today we will learn how to set up the page in AutoCAD. Page setup is very important part of any project about architectural drawing or engineering drawing. To start any project in AutoCAD, we first need to set up a page. If you cannot set up the page properly, the drawing in the AutoCAD is not completed properly. So today we will see how to set up the page in AutoCAD. So let's get started. You have to work in three places to get set up the page. One, unit setup, two, drawing limits, three, dimension setting. First, we will set up unit. I type UNI from my keyboard. Here we get unit. Click unit. We get unit another method. We go to format from menu bar. Here have unit. I click unit. Here I give architectural and I give 0 feet 0 inch. Then OK. Again I type from my keyboard LIM, then enter, or another method. I go to format from menu bar. Here have drawing limits. I click drawing limits. I increase the mouse point command bar here. Then I click enter and I write 100 feet, 100 feet, then enter. Then Z enter and A enter. Then I click D enter from dimension setting. Here have modify, click modify. Here have primary unit. I give here architectural and I give here 0 feet 0 inch, and I go to text. Here have 7 inch I give for my comfortable, then OK. Then I click set current, then close. So the page setup is completed. Next class I will discuss any two command per day. Assalamu alaikum.